He'll only do it when I'm not looking.
His tails is thinking for itself.
That is so funny. Smell it, Shadow. Yep. He only goes after it when I'm not looking.
Yeah. Whenever he goes, we can get one just like him again. You know?
I don't know. I wish we wouldn't have neutered him. I wouldn't have minded a whole bunch of shadows.
Yeah, but
he's like the coolest.
Mm-hmm. And it hasn't toned him down very much at all. You know, a little bit has.
Kind of has, yeah.
But he still likes to play. When he hears jingle bells. You know, he'll bring them to me. He knows, where's your ball?
Mm-hmm.
Real good.
Oh, yeah. I'll tell him, come get me your, go get your ball. Mm-hmm. Where's your ball, Shadow? Hey, psst, Shadow, where's your ball? Where's your ball? Where's your ball?
Does anyone have you?
Where's your ball? Bring me your ball. Shadow, bring me your ball. He's going crazy. Shadow, where's your ball? There's another one right up there. Oh, Shadow. Baby, he's taking you the ball.